Today I'm going to be looking at these, which are the Edifier TWS1 Pro. Let's jump straight in there and take a look. And here we go, the Edifier TWS1 Pro. It's got a few details on the front of the box there. It's a lovely box actually. Very nice. So we'll just talk through some of those details. So a few of the features mentioned on here: role swapping. So that is switching each of the headphones across so that you can just use one or just use the other. 12 to 30 hours playtime. IP65, dust and waterproof. Bluetooth version 5.2. Quick charge. And a comfortable fit, which is always a good thing to have from headphones. On the back we've got absolutely stacks of details here, mainly because it's in lots of different languages. But some of the stuff that it tells about is the Qualcomm True Wireless mirroring technology supports dynamic and seamless bud-to-bud role swapping. And it's got, of course, Qualcomm aptX, which is the adaptive, provides both lossless and low latency transmission of audio, it says, so potentially good for gaming, that kind of thing. Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancellation ensures clear phone calls. High quality PU Plus titanium diaphragm delivers crystal clear sound with punchy bass and rich details. Up to 12 hours continuous playback per charge, and 42 hours playtime with a 40-minute quick charge of charging case. A lot to digest there, a lot of good stuff. Let's open the box. Just move that aside, and like a lot of these, looks like some sort of jewellery box. Just take the lid off that. No jewellery, unfortunately. We've got the headphones here. We'll just put them down for a moment, see what else is in there. Bit of silica gel, do not ingest, of course. We've got USB-C charging cable. Let's see how long it is. It goes off camera. It's a fairly long cable for some headphones, which is good. And then we've got different sized buds and couple of manuals here by the looks of things. So we've got a bit of a warning in there. So it's just going on about temperatures and whether or not children should use the headphones. TWS1 Pro True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Bit of quite simple information there, how to pair them and how to use them. Nothing much else in there really, just loads of different languages. So we'll get the headphones themselves unwrapped. It's the best bit. Anyone who knows new tech will understand that the nicest bit is peeling off the plastic, which I am currently failing to do. So I'm just going to rip it. There we go. You can see quite clearly there on the back we've got the USB charging port. Underneath, bit of information about the wattage, voltage, etc. That again I'm no expert in, but what I can tell you is the input it takes is 5 volts 1.5 amps, the charging case. So Edifier logo there. Very nice. We just flip it open, and wow, they've got a sort of matte finish. So we'll just take them out. You can tell already these are very premium. They feel good in the hand. I think it's that matte finish. And we'll just see magnetised case as per usual, and that's not going to fly open at any point. And it's not really going to fly closed either. It's got a nice satisfying click to it. Each one has its touch buttons on the side of the headphone. So we'll get them paired up and have a mess about. First thing I want to talk about after I've tried these out for quite a while is the battery life. 12 hours playback off one charge. That is phenomenal and by far the highest I've ever seen off any pair of headphones. Sound quality is brilliant for me. I listen to a lot of dance music. The heavy deep basses really tick the box that I'm looking for when it comes to headphones. The Qualcomm aptX, which is on a lot of headphones at all price points now, works really well. Very low latency, even when gaming on a mobile phone. Not disappointed at all with that. The headphones sit nicely in the ear and they don't look too absurd. But at the same time, they also block out a lot of background noise, which I found really good. Just do be careful if you need to hear background noise, such as if you are crossing a road. Touch controls, very responsive, did exactly what I wanted them to do. There was never any point when I've been using these over the past couple of weeks where I found that I was using the touch controls, it was doing what I didn't want to happen, or it was doing something completely different to what I expected. I got used to them very quickly, very useful. I like having the volume control on there, that's nice to have. In terms of pairing them, very simple, but I think that's just the case with all of these headphones now. It's just more down to the operating system than anything else. When you put one of the headphones back in the case, or you put one down, it quickly switches to just one, and that works really well. Sound quality on phone calls was excellent, and it really did get rid of any sort of background level noises. These are, to date, quite honestly, the best headphones that I have used. I will point out though, I haven't tested every single one, but for what I'm after, which is good punchy bass from dance music and also fairly good sound quality on phone calls, nice low latency for gaming, and also easy pairing, and a very high battery life on these, just makes for a great package for the price really. Just can't go wrong. So that's it. If you've enjoyed my video, then click like. If you haven't enjoyed my video, click dislike. And if you've got any comments you want to share, what do you think of them? Will you be buying them? Please pop that in the comments below and I'll try and get back to you. I usually do eventually. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.